Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a very important topic of this chapter, that is exterior angle of a triangle and its property. Students, have you ever heard the word exterior? Yes. Then what's the meaning of exterior? Exterior means outside. What is the opposite of exterior? Interior. So, exterior means outside and interior means inside. Let's see what is an exterior angle of a triangle. Here comes a triangle. Now, how will you draw the exterior angle of a triangle? Let's see. What did you do now? Yes, we extended the side to some more extent. Okay, so where is the exterior angle? The exterior angle lies here. What is an exterior angle? The angle formed between one of the sides of a triangle and the extended other side is called exterior angle. What is exterior angle? The angle formed between one of the sides of the triangle and the extended side of the same triangle is called an exterior angle. Let us name the triangle A, B, C. Then how will you name the extended side? It is D. Now the triangle is ABC and the extended side we named it as D. So which is the exterior angle? We know that the exterior angle is AC. The exterior angle is angle ACD. Now let us see what is this angle called. What is the peculiarity of this angle? It lies near to the exterior angle. This angle lies very near to the exterior angle. Such angle is known as adjacent angle. Angle adjacent to exterior angle. What is it called as? Angle adjacent to exterior angle. So which is that angle? This is that angle. Okay. Next one. You can see here two more angles. One is here and the other one is B. Let's mark it. One angle and the other angle. You need specific names for this two. What are the angles called? The angles are called as interior opposite angles to exterior angles. It is named after its location. This is exterior angle and these two angles are opposite to it. And it is inside the triangle. So what will you call them? Interior opposite angles to exterior angles. With respect to this exterior angle, we name it as interior opposite angles. So you should know what is an exterior angle, which is the angle adjacent to exterior angle, and which are the interior opposite angles with respect to exterior angle. Now, what is the heading of this session? Exterior angle of a triangle and its property. What is the property of exterior angle and interior opposite angles? Let us see. Here you can see the exterior angle property of a triangle. What is that? Exterior angle property of a triangle. Here you can see the red color indicates exterior angle and blue-green indicates interior opposite angles. Okay. So the property says that angle BCD, that is the exterior angle, is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles, that is angle BAC plus CBA. According to this figure, I can say that red angle is equal to blue angle plus green angle. What was that? Red angle is equal to blue angle plus green angle. Okay. So what is the exterior angle property? An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. So today in this session we will be discussing the problems related to angle sum properties, exterior angle property of a triangle. So the first one, find the value of the unknown exterior angle x in the following diagram. Students, in the first two questions, the exterior angle is unknown. How will you find the exterior angle? You can add the two interior opposite angles. So, exterior angle x is equal to 70 plus 50, that is equal to 120. When you are applying exterior angle property of a triangle, you should write what is that. Or at least you should write using exterior angle property of a triangle. We know that x is equal to 50 degree plus 70 degree. That is x is equal to 120 degree. So students, remember that if exterior angle is missing, you will add the interior opposite angles. Once again, repeat. If the exterior angle is missing, you will add the interior opposite angles. We will see one more question. Here also, you can see this is the exterior angle and interior opposite angles are given as 65 degree and 45 degree. So how will you find? X is equal to 65 plus 45. What is 65 plus 45? It is 110. Let's see the next question. Student, what is the difference between the previous question and this one? Here what is unknown? One of the interior opposite angles are unknown. So, exterior angle is given and one of the interior opposite angles is given. So, how will you find? It should be 115 minus 50 degree. So, when will you do subtraction? Subtraction is done when exterior angle is given and one of the interior opposite angles is given. Students, remember the figure. If exterior angle and one of the interior opposite angles is given, you will do subtraction. Clear? So, here the answer is 65 degree. 115 degree minus 50 degree. That is x is equal to 65 degree. One more question. Here also what is given? Exterior angle is given and one of the interior opposite angles is given. So what will you do? You will do subtraction. You will do subtraction. 100 minus 70, that is equal to 30 degree. Hope this concept is clear to you. So in this session we discussed about an exterior angle of a triangle and its property. What is the exterior angle property? the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. We came across two types of problems. In the first type of problem, exterior angle was unknown. Then what operation did you do? Addition. When exterior angle was given, the operation which you did was subtraction. So, go through all the 4 questions, copy down in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.